because the well, spot weld. Oh, fucking hell! I'm tired now. See. So right, I'm on the Ford Escort today. Now this was either 1100 or a 1300, and the gearbox tunnel was, as you can see there, it was all smashed in by a hammer by the previous person who worked on it, who fitted the 2-litre engine. Gearbox mounts have been moved from the forward position to the rear position just to accommodate the, I think it's 5-speed box, so someone's cut them off and just did a scutty little weld on there. Now, when I cut the tunnel off, I'm going to cut these off, and what we'll do, we'll reposition these when we fit the engine and gearbox. So I'll finish off the tunnel. Like, here's the new tunnel. So I'm going to cut this out, fit this in, and then when this is fitted in, we can assess exactly where these go. Now, we're not sure if the engine was, or the gearbox was dropping down or raised up. Like, I don't want too much tension on the prop shaft, so these have to be perfect. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Yeah, it's going to take a few days to get it dead perfect. Like, there's a bit more power in the 2-litre engine, so you have to strengthen all this. You can see where they put the gearbox in. Gear stick goes through there, so they've cut off the bracing, which takes a lot of tension out of the car. So I'm going to have to move this brace. I might try and move it back a bit and brace it up there, so at least the car's got some strength. We don't want any flex in the body, so yeah, that's what we're going to do next. I put these braces in. What? Fuck off, you! You fucking child. Right. So I put these braces in just on the chassis rails. So when I cut out the tunnel, it's going to keep everything in place, stop everything spreading. I've used Boris's brace that he made before just to keep everything, it's just bolted on, so that's easy enough. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to carry on now, and I'm going to cut the tunnel out, and we'll go from there. So when I'm fitting the transmission tunnel, I'm going to have to cut this bit of brace out here. This is like gearbox brace, so this strengthens the car's body. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to tack this up there, just so it keeps everything straight and nothing bends when I cut this out, because there's still a little bit of it left and it's causing a bit of tension. So yeah, we'll tack this on first, and then I can start attaching, like cut this off and then start attaching the transmission tunnel. So yeah, we'll crack on with this now. Right, so I've tacked the top part there and the bottom there. There's a bit of a gap here, so as you can see, when they've cut this brace out, the floor's lifted a small bit there, unless it was hit by a rock or something underneath. There's a big dent there, so it might have just been hit or jacked up. So what I'm going to do, I have to clamp this now, bring this together if I can, just to take the tension off the floor, so when I stick the tunnel back on, it's not going to pop up, because I'll leave this on then and I'll stick another brace behind just to keep everything strong for the bigger gearbox and engine. Yep. Right, transmission tunnel's all welded in. As you see, I've spot welded it. We punched the holes in the rim of it. It was needed a bit of adapting because it's an aftermarket part and they don't really fit very well. So I had to bend all the tabs a small bit and cut a few bits off. Yeah, she's looking good. Next thing, I'm going to join this to there. Like, as you can see, I've capped the original member off there just to stop any shit going in from underneath, because that's going to stay like that as part of the strengthening. Yeah, so we're going to put the engine and gearbox in and get the measurements for the gear stick to go through, as the original one that I cut off was sort of botched, as you can see. So nothing lined up properly, so that's what we're going to do next. Yeah, it's looking good, it's looking good. Floor pan needs finishing off there, obviously. But yeah, everything's looking good now. So yeah, if you like our videos, like and subscribe, and I've done this part now. I'm going to leave the rest of it to the unexperienced Boris. Less experienced Boris, okay. Yeah, thanks for watching and catch us next time. Like and subscribe. Thanks.